If your Bank of America account is locked, it can be stressful, especially when you are unable to s- access your money or complete important transactions. This situation often happens as a security measure. When the system detects something unusual, it may temporarily block access to protect your account. One possible reason is entering incorrect login details multiple times. Repeated failed attempts can trigger an automatic lock. In some cases, logging in from a new device or location can also raise security concerns and lead to restricted access. There are also situations where suspicious activity is detected, such as unusual transaction or unexpected changes in account behavior. Sometimes the issues may be related to outdated account information, missing or incorrect details can prevent proper verification. If your account is locked, checking your email or messages is a good first step. You may receive instructions explaining what happened and what to do next. You can also try using the official website to begin the recovery process. Following the steps provided can help restore access. Verification is usually required during this process. You may need to confirm your identity using codes or security questions. It is important to provide accurate information to avoid delays while unlocking your account. In some situations, waiting for a short period may be necessary if the lock is temporary due to security checks. Avoid making repeated login attempts during this time as it can extend the lock duration. Keeping your account information updated and using SQL login practices can help prevent this issue in the future. Regularly monitoring your account activity can also help you detect and respond to any unusual behavior early. If you are still unable to regain access, you can explore the support option available through Bank of America to continue the recovery process. That's it for today. If you like the video, so please subscribe our channel. I will see you in the next video.